Your favorite queen is live in Ebonyi State. You can see the beautiful and calm environment we got here. Okay, there is one thing about me, you know, I'm an African queen and I admire nature so well. So if you want to come in with nature, you come here. So guys, join us for this adventure somewhere in Africa. Eh? It's slippery. Ooh. My footwear is slippery, that's why it's like that. So I embarked on this journey with my beautiful girlfriend Ima Bridals TV. This is adventure. So we decided to visit nature, Mother Nature. We are here. It's my beautiful city with a beautiful environment. Adventure. I love exploring nature. Yeah, nature at its peak. Yes, anytime I need a quiet time, I want to commune with nature, I just come to environments like this, and trust me, after visiting here, you get, I mean, your whole day will be made, your head will be clear.
Make the space not full.
Nice adventure. Wow.
Go.
We are there. Minerals. We are almost there. We are almost there. Oh, this place. Yeah, Mother Nature, we are here. Mother Nature, we are here. And finally, we are here. Mother Nature, we are here. Please favor your children.
So a natural mineral, so you can get gold here. Magnet is good in life.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
You can see how happy I am. Yes, this is how happy I've always been whenever I visit nature. Nature is golden. So guys, your favorite queen is live here in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. See beautiful environment now. See calm environment. Alright, see natural environment. You want to commune with nature, you come over, okay? You want to commune with nature, you come over. You come over. This is beautiful. This is awesome. This is amazing. On a tour somewhere in Africa. So guys, your favorite queen is live in Ebonyi State. You can see the beautiful and calm environment we got here. Okay, there is one thing about me, you know, I'm an African queen and I admire nature so well. So if you want to come in with nature, you come here. I love natural environment, natural setting, and that's why people have been asking, you are always inside the bush. You are always inside the bush, because I love it. Okay, capture the environment for me, capture everywhere for me. You see how beautiful it is. Do you love this place? Yeah. So we are expecting a rainfall. You can see this is some of the natural resources we have in Ebonyi. This is your precious stone. If you look around now, you see that they've already extracted some of the stones for your buildings and the rest. You see how beautiful the whole place is. So anything you want, we have it in abundance. So I'm still going up. I am going higher. Yes, higher. We are good to go. So, wow, if you stay here, you will see the whole city, like the whole city of Abakaliki. Carry camera, come. Can you see the whole of Abakaliki here? You really wish you can come in.
hope this my singlet, they will not flag it.
And your cleavage is showing.
It's not showing anything. It's not showing. You don't even see that one when they show.
Woo! See? You see here? Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. We love you. Bye bye. See you some other time. I love you so much.